How to change the country or region of your Taobao account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the country or region of your Taobao account and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open the Taobao application on your device. Once you open the application, the next thing you need to do is to tap on your account. Once you tap on the account, from here you need to tap on the setting option. Once you tap on the setting option, here you will find country, region, language and currency. So you need to tap on that. It will bring you here. The first option is country and region. You need to tap on that. And this is the list of country or region available on this application. So if you see the country or region, maybe you traveled to or you shifted there. So you need to choose that country. Once you tap on that country, and that country or region will be changed on your account. So guys, this is all it takes to change country or region on a Taobao application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.